What's going on, guys? Hope y'all are having a good day. I got something special for you today. So I know a while ago I used to do truck videos on the channel, and I just stopped because I just didn't really want to do them anymore. But I decided to go ahead and bring a truck build back to the channel. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the project truck. All right, so as you can see, it's an older truck, and I'm super stoked on it. So what we have here is a 2000, listen to me. It's a 1992 F350 7.3 diesel. And this one is the non-turbo. I ended up only spending about $3,800 on the truck. Now, a little bit about the truck. Obviously the body and the paint is original, and it's almost flawless. It's got about 260,000 miles on it, and I'll kind of go into what I want to do with the truck. Let me go ahead and walk y'all around this really quick, show you kind of what's going on with it. All right, so let's start with the inside here. Inside is super clean for being almost a 30-year-old truck. A few things about it. It doesn't have, I don't know if y'all can see that, it doesn't have a radio in it, but it does have the wiring for it. But overall, the inside, it's great. I mean, it's not bad at all. Obviously, there's no headrests. Why are there no headrests? Because you can't wear a cowboy hat with a headrest. Moving to the front, lights aren't bad at all. And then obviously we've got the flatbed. Got an extra fuel tank there, extra storage in here. I really like these. So you take that out and this thing pops out, and then you've got storage down there. So as far as I want to do with the truck, so there's a few issues that I've got to address pretty quickly here. So the fuel cap in the tank, whoever put the flatbed on did not match up the fuel tank and the flatbed correctly. So when I went to go fill it up today, I'm filling it up, and it just starts leaking all over the place under the truck. So I've got to get under there and realign it correctly. Really the goal for this truck, there's not a lot to do with the body. I do want to paint it black. I do want to give it that I want to give it like the rhino liner look. I think that's going to be a pretty badass look for it. It's cold, but as far as what I want to do with the truck, so obviously it's got a decent amount of miles on it. It's a 7.3, the million-mile engine. So I'm going to see how much I can get out of the engine. I can already tell that the transmission for sure is going to need some work. I'm probably going to change out the injectors, because the injectors on these trucks are tiny. I mean, they're just tiny. I'm probably going to lift it up a few inches and probably put some 35s on it. I love that look. I've always wanted a project truck. I've never really had one that's super old. I mean, this thing's 27 years old. So right now, honestly, it runs great. I'm gonna start this thing up for y'all and kind of show you what it sounds like. I mean, it sounds like a freaking 18-wheeler. I love that sound. So as y'all can hear, this thing's already a beast, but I plan on doing a lot with it. I'm really excited to bring a truck build to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I've done really anything with a truck. But I'm really excited. If y'all have any suggestions on what I should do with this truck, please let me know. I really need them. We'll go from there. All right, guys, appreciate it. John Wayne.